OpenClaw has a dedicated security page in their docs. Here it is on screen. I've left a link in the description. Now, here's the cool part. I'm going to copy this URL and then paste it into the chat in OpenClaw, and then ask it to implement and verify everything on this page. One exception though, leave allow insecure auth set to true. Go ahead and hit send. And now the bot is going through the security docs and hardening its own security setup. You may briefly see a disconnected error as the agent restarts the gateway. And then when the agent responds, you should see a whole list of the changes that it applied from that security page. Pretty cool, right? Next, we need to set some ground rules and tell it what it can do on its own and what it needs to check with us for first. Tell it something like, when sending messages on my behalf, always present me with a draft first and get permission before sending. Always check with me before deleting files, and always check with me before making network requests. You'll want to make sure you go through for your specific purpose and clearly outline what it's allowed to do on its own and what it's not allowed to do without permission. Now, let's set some more cost guardrails. We already set a spending limit on the API side. Now let's set guardrails on the OpenClaw side too. We can limit the amount of retry attempts it does. Let's say if a task fails 3 times, stop. We can also give it runtime limits. We can say, don't let tasks run indefinitely. And then you as the user for the first week should definitely be checking your LLM usage dashboard every day to see exactly what the costs are and how it's stacking up. Now, anytime you plan to make big changes to the configuration, I recommend taking a snapshot of your VPS so you can roll back to a functioning configuration if something breaks. This is especially important if you're having your bot update its own configuration. Here's how you do this. Back in your hosting or Docker manager, go to Backups and Monitoring, and then click Snapshots and Backups. We set up daily backups already, and those will run, but you can manually take a snapshot by scrolling down that page and clicking Create Snapshot. You'll need to hit Create to confirm. And then after a moment, you'll see the snapshot appear in your snapshot list. If at any point you're making a big configuration change and something breaks, now you can simply click Restore to roll back to the last functioning version of your VPS configuration. Finally, let's talk about model selection. Back in the OpenClaw Gateway dashboard, we can click on Agents, and then in the overview, there's a drop-down for the primary model. If you connect other LLM providers via API, the available models will show up here. Now, model selection is actually a big security decision. Larger models like Claude Opus are significantly better at resisting prompt injection. Smaller, cheaper models get fooled much more easily. So for any bot with real permissions, especially browsing the web, use the best model you can afford.